Yo, what's up everybody? It's Future Vision, and let's talk about the future of your pocket. Specifically, what if I told you that the days of pulling out your phone for every notification, every email, every text, everything might be coming to an end. Imagine ditching your phone, but still having the power of the internet, your calendar, messages, and even an AI brain on your body 24/7. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. We're on the verge of a wearable tech revolution. One that's not just about fitness trackers or smartwatches. We're talking next-level AI assistants integrated directly into our clothes, glasses, even our bodies. And yeah, it might sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, some of this tech is closer than you think. So in this video, we're diving deep into the world of AI-powered wearables that could soon make the smartphone as obsolete as a pager. Remember those? Yeah, that's where we're headed. Remember when smartphones first came out? Everybody was hyped about having the internet in their pocket. Maps, music, games, all at your fingertips. It was a game changer. But somewhere along the way, things got a little extra. We became glued to these screens. Notifications became distractions. Battery life became a constant anxiety. And let's be honest, sometimes you just need a break from the constant scroll. That's where AI-powered wearables come in. Imagine a world where you can stay connected, informed, and productive without constantly staring at a screen. Imagine the freedom of going for a run, hitting the gym, or just hanging out with friends without the urge to check your phone every 5 seconds. Sounds pretty good, right? One of the most interesting concepts out there is the Humane AI Pin. Remember when I said no screen? They took that seriously. This thing is literally a pin you wear on your jacket, but it packs some serious AI power. It uses voice commands and laser projection to interact with you. Need to make a call? Just tell the pin. Want to check your schedule? It projects it right onto your hand. And it's not just about basic tasks. The AI inside the Humane Pin learns your habits, anticipates your needs, and even provides real-time translations. It's like having a personal assistant without, the whole other person part. Then there's the Rabbit R1. This thing is more like a traditional gadget, a small, pocket-sized device. But don't let its size fool you. The Rabbit R1 is all about using AI to interact with your digital world on your behalf. It's like having a mini-me that lives inside your apps, doing your bidding. Need to book a flight? The R1 scours the web for the best deals. Have to reply to an email but don't want to type it out? The R1 can draft a response based on your conversation history. It's all about making your life easier and less cluttered with digital noise. Okay, let's talk about something a little more familiar. Smart glasses. Meta's Ray-Ban stories have already dipped their toes into this pool. But we're talking about a whole new level of integration with AI. Imagine glasses that not only display notifications but also provide real-time information about your surroundings. Think augmented reality overlays, live translation of conversations, or even facial recognition that reminds you of someone's name. Don't worry, we'll get into the privacy concerns in a bit. With AI built in, these glasses could become your window into a smarter, more connected world. But what if the future of wearables is something we're already pretty used to? Earbuds. Yeah, those tiny things we use for music and calls. Now imagine them with a serious AI upgrade. We're talking real-time translation during conversations, live updates whispered directly into your ear, and AI assistant responses that sound more human than ever. These AI-powered earbuds could even track your health metrics, monitor your stress levels, and even give you personalized coaching throughout the day. Talk about a personal touch. And this is just the beginning. We're talking about concepts like smart contact lenses that overlay information onto your field of vision, Neuralink brain interfaces that could make typing and browsing a thing of the past, mood-sensing wearables that adjust your environment based on your emotions. Imagine tiny AI companions that learn your habits, predict your needs, and seamlessly integrate with your life. It's a future where technology fades into the background, empowering us to live more connected and fulfilling lives. So, the big question is, when can you get your hands on this stuff? Well, some of it is already here. The Meta Ray-Ban glasses, for example, are available right now. The Humane AI Pin is set to launch later this year, and the Rabbit R1 is expected to ship sometime in early 2024. But the really futuristic stuff like the Neuralink interface and smart contact lenses, those are still a few years out. But one thing's for sure, the future of wearables is looking pretty incredible, and it's closer than you think. So, what do you guys think? Would you ditch your phone for an AI that lives on your jacket or glasses? It's a wild future we're stepping into, and honestly, I'm excited to see how it all unfolds. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you give up your phone for an AI that lives on your jacket or glasses? Let us know below and subscribe to Future Vision to stay ahead of the curve, because the future is closer than you think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on our next deep dive into the future of tech. And as always, thanks for watching.